overall I do think that it's cute. It is a cute unit. I wanted to try something different out of my element, you know. Really. Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I am giving you guys my thoughts and opinion on this bob-like unit. And if you love wig tutorials and if you love to see how units look before purchasing, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. So stay tuned. So today I am reviewing the Janet Collection Melt Transparent Natural Hairline with 13x6 Frontal HD definition. It's in the style Asia, and it is the pre-plucked, pre-customized natural hairline, heat-safe, resistant fiber, up to 365 degrees. And it's 100% hand-tied 13x6 frontal part, natural density, and I got it in the color M.BLYG/30, and this is what the card looks like. And it does have some more information on the inside, and it has like all the colors that it comes in on the back. So it does have some general hair care guidelines, which is pretty cool. It talks about the meltdown, the space, the cap construction, and I think this is my first time reviewing Janet on my channel. I don't feel like I have ever done a Janet Collection wig. I can't remember at the moment, but if so, the photo will be right here, and if not, then I didn't do it. So I want to talk about the cap size. The cap is really small. I would say it's small to medium. Head size is definitely not big head friendly. One thing that I did really like about this unit is that it came with an adjustable wig band, so that was really nice. I have experienced minimal shedding, not a lot. So I got this unit from Wig Types, and it is on their website for $50. I do think that that price is a little bit steep, especially for such a short bob unit, and you have to put in a little bit of effort and work into it. You can't just plop it on and go. So for $50, I would not recommend paying that price. But the plus side about short units is that they do last longer, so you will get some extra time with this synthetic wig. And I'm going to give you guys a 360. I wanted to try something different out of my element. This is the "Where's Your Manager" hairstyle. Can I speak to your manager, please? Yes, this is that hairstyle. When I used to work in retail, I always had some angry moms coming up to me. "Oh, can I speak to your manager? I am the manager, lady." Yeah, I should do a story time for Hollister, because I used to be a manager at Hollister / Abercrombie & Fitch, and I have stories for days. It does have some free parting. I did have to glue, you know, this part down just a little bit. I did not. It is air to air, and I did not cut it. I think I'm going to actually sell this unit, so I didn't really want to mess it up too much. But I used my blasting spray right here to just hold it down. I did cut a little bit of baby hairs right here just to blend it in a little bit more. And I took some hair underneath and just gave myself a little swoop. And it's cute. Definitely cute. Definitely lightweight for the summer. It is a little on the thin side. When I was like running my hands back here, I can feel the tracks, so keep that in mind as well. You know, $50, like I shouldn't be feeling any type of tracks. And for $50, you know, it should be all head friendly. It's only medium and small head friendly. Overall, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I do have some Black businesses that I would like to highlight. My mother wrote a children's book. It's called Adventures of Sable Brown. It's about a young girl and her brother, and they take an African safari trip out of their closet, and she's working on book number 2. So make sure you guys check this out. The link is listed below. My husband and I started our own business. We sell cooling towels on Amazon. So you wet, wring, and shake the towel. You get 2 in a pack, and it keeps you cool. So I use mine for our hike that we went to the Poconos a couple weeks ago. He uses his for work, and it's a nice size. You know, this all keeps you cool. So you wet it, you wring it, you shake it, and it literally feels like an air conditioner is on you. So make sure you guys check it out. We take them on vacation with us. I know some women who get hot flashes in the middle of the night. I'm actually taking a yoga class tomorrow outside, so I'm going to be using this. And yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave some comments. Let me know what you guys think. And if you love to see how units look before purchasing, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss anything. I post wig reviews every Monday. Make sure you guys check it out. But also on Thursdays, you will see some clothing hauls, some Black love segments, and some travel vlogs. So check me out, and I will see you guys next time.